Introducing Chat, the latest feature in the platform that enables seamless and secure communication between students and tutors while keeping admins in full control. The best part? No student details are shared with the tutor. Everything stays secure and managed within the platform. From the student's perspective, Chats provides two options. They can start a chat with an admin for inquiries about fees, invoices, or enrolling in a new course. Or they can message their instructor directly. On the tutor side, a notification pops up when a new message arrives. They can see the student's name, the course, and the subject, making it easy to respond instantly. Admins have full visibility into all conversations between students and tutors. If needed, they can enter any chat and participate. Students can also message admins directly. These messages start as unassigned, meaning any admin can pick them up. Once an admin replies, the conversation is assigned to them. Chats are organized for easy navigation, with clear tags distinguishing private admin chats and course discussions. But notifications ensure users stay updated on messages, whether on web or mobile. With Chats, students get the support they need, tutors stay connected, and admins maintain full oversight, all without ever sharing personal contact details. It's secure, seamless, and built for better learning.